Air Dynamics offers a variety of air cleaning and housekeeping solutions to help manufacturers maintain a safe and healthy workplace. The PLECO HEPA Vac is your facility's solution for daily housekeeping, process vacuuming, and conveying bulk materials. HEPA, or High-Efficiency Particulate Arrestance Filtration, is an OSHA requirement for vacuum cleaners exhausted indoors where hazardous dusts are collected. Our PLECO HEPA vacuum cleaners meet and exceed these requirements to provide a safe and clean work environment. The patented high-performance design and heavy-duty construction of our American-made PLECO vacuum systems enables them to deliver continuous performance even when used in production or process environments, both inside and outside of your facility. Air Dynamics vacuum design includes many features our competitors offer only as costly upgrades, including HEPA filtration, a filter bag shaper, a large 40-gallon storage canister, quiet operation, and differential pressure gauges for both primary and secondary filters. Our PLECO vacuum systems are suitable for materials ranging from fine powders to large granular materials, including combustible dusts, steel shot, powdered tungsten, and even liquids when properly equipped. Our portable vacuum cleaners are configurable for stationary applications as central vacuum systems connected to piping networks. Available in models ranging from 8 to 30 horsepower, the PLECO HEPA Vac is your facility's solution for daily housekeeping, process vacuuming, and conveying bulk materials. Contact us today to discuss your vacuum system challenges.